Good morning to day 80, Saturday day 80. Just arrived. It's actually half 8, a bit late. The guys are pouring shed loads of concrete, so I assume today it's all about the actual footings themselves.
Alright.
Tyson the legend. Footings everywhere. So I go, the rebar guys are in, so I assume they're going to carry on with this. Yesterday when we came, we didn't film this part, so obviously they're carrying on through here. We've got the uprights in. And the boys, believe it or not, are concreting all the way along. So they've already started manually pouring. Yeah, buddy. Pouring the footings along here. So yeah, sometimes it stops it cracking. Does that stop it cracking?
Yeah, stop cracking.
Yeah. And as we said yesterday, this will end up being boxed. Standing it, I'm sure. It'll be boxed all the way along to the edge of the house. That way. Yeah. Straight across to the edge of the house. That rebar will connect obviously straight through. It'll go straight through to the other side. And then this one here will also return over there. And that technically, let's open it again, is our spare room. So this is the foundation for that room. So that's how wide it is. That's how long it is. This obviously will go up to ground floor height, same as the wall there, and join with the wall there. And the unfortunate thing is, we've got to fill that space with this, which is not cheap, that's for sure. Down here, they're finishing this off, obviously. They've been compacting this to get a solid surface. This doesn't have to be massively solid because it's going to be concreted, I would say probably about 6 inches. So there'll be a step down from there into here. And what that guy's doing is unboxing the concrete pour in the corner they would have done, which is connecting that wall to the house. We've not really been in here because there's nothing really more to report. Obviously it's pitch black. In that far corner they've still got some holes to sort out, but I think they might be running some services through there, and they've still got to pour that corner there as well. It's the same situation as the other end really. That's what he's just poured. Here is going to be it's going to be 12-inch blocks here going all the way up out by 5 feet, and that's the overhang of this end of the building. So as you can see there, morning buddy, that end of the building right up to where that wooden plank is that he's got is going to be the overhang going right all the way up, and that's going to be across the top of the house. And it's obviously going to be exactly the same at this end. This will be out by 5 feet. It's probably about here. And again, that will go right through both floors up to top level. That's pretty much where we are with everything here. The swimming pool area, I don't think there's not changed there. There's not a lot to change really. That's all as is. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm sure Colin's setting them some goals for the day. So we'll report back what's changed later on. Okay, Saturday 5 to 5. Just come back, everyone's gone obviously, they shoot off early. Nowadays 3:30ish. We're making some more concrete smocks today. 2-inch ones. So I'm not sure what they're for. Obviously it's been supported up. I'm not sure if that's what wind. Should be better down here. Try and get up on the roof if we can. Let's see what they've done. Okay, let's have a spin around and see what they've done today. Okay, so we've got this erected here. Looks like they've had another course on top of that. They've concreted this footing here and rebarred to here. They've obviously taken that footing all the way around as well. They've extended that one a little bit, and they've done the footing for the freshwater tank itself as well. And it looks like they're starting to block there as well. Not too sure we can actually make it up on the roof. Worth having a look up there as well, because that's one thing they've been working a lot on today. It's doing all the rebar for the flooring. So it'd be good to try and get up there and have a good look, see what they've actually done. And what else around here? All looks as is. They've obviously unboxed the column here, which looks okay. The pool area, etc. I wouldn't have thought they've done anything on. They've unboxed this column. So I've seen straighter. I suppose once it's rendered you won't care. They obviously poured some concrete down into this column here, which was unboxed and we've got it this morning, so we'll go around the other side and have a quick look at that in a minute. Let's see if we can get up on top of the roof with no ladder. That will be interesting. Let's see what we can find. We can definitely get up on top of... Oh yeah. Get on top of the hallway. Again, sorry about the wind. So we'll get up on top of here. Get on top of here. And then we'll conveniently use these as steps. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, then we're up on top of the roof. Wow. So they've done a lot today. So they've laid all the rebar up here on the roof. They've obviously got to use the smocks themselves, but they've done all of that. And then this basically is a bedroom. So we'll need to do an air conditioning hole for the inlet here, and we'll probably have a wardrobe here, so we'll have to do one here to go up on top of the unit, the wardrobe. This will be the kitchen, so there'll be something. There's a hallway here. The units will probably be about there. So again, we'll have to do one about here somewhere, which is an inlet and outlet, right across over to roughly where that white spot is there. There'll be another one in there, and again all the other rooms. So we've got to do all the inlets and outlets. Again here we'll have to do the water. Again here somewhere, water, gas, we'll have to come up through there. Anything we need at the moment before the pour is done that we need to do to access downstairs needs to be done sooner rather than later. So yeah, so okay, they've done shed loads today and yesterday. Bless them. Still a lot of time together to do. Oh, excuse me. Yes, they've laid a lot of it out, so they've not actually... I was thinking it was all done like over there, but obviously this hasn't been tied together. So they've laid it all out into the actual grids that they need. Here they've even finished that off. Obviously they've got the steels up, cut to size. They haven't done the cross beams yet. This is where they did that column. So they poured it here. Look. Poured the column there, and they still need to box in and around here as well. From all the way down. And still got a box all the way along here as well. And that'll have to be supported downstairs as well. And there's the 16-inch column looking from above. They need to get that poured. Talk to them about that. That's got to go all the way through. So I've got to do those ones, get that done. Other than that, it's all looking like they're going to get it pretty much done, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So I'm talking about getting that one done sooner rather than later. And this wall might get away with doing that one. So yeah, pretty good day. Finish off doing this again. We've held off on getting anything done over the weekend because the architect's coming at 10 o'clock, so we can try and map out where all these holes, these air conditioning exits and entrances are going to come from, and then we'll get ready probably to pour Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's the plan. So a good day so far, thank God. We'll meet him Monday, get that thrashed out, give them time to finish all this off, and hopefully concrete trucks again, and massive amounts of pouring taking place early next week. I know Wayne wants it done Monday, but that's definitely not going to happen. Maybe that poured down here as well. Gits. Okay, I've got to talk to him about that. They're going to have to pour all the way down there. So I'll talk to them about that at the same time, unless they're going to do it at the same time. Obviously, it's the pillars are going to go in here. So maybe they're going to use that as an opportunity to pour straight down at the same time, maybe. I'll talk to them about that tomorrow, make sure that's definitely done. Other than that, they're working tomorrow as well, so I'll check in tomorrow. Have a great weekend.